Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning, boys and girls. We are going to start with a new lesson and a new unit today. This is week number 4, and today we will start the first lesson of it. This is unit number 8 and page number 49 of your reading book. So open this page number 49, and before I start the discussion, I hope you are fine and enjoying your vacations. So let's read the new chapter for today, that is Plants and Animals, unit number 8. Keep your copies, your skill books and stationery items with you so that you may start your written work once we complete the discussion. So here lesson number is 17. Again the name is same, the plants around us. So here, as the name of the chapter shows, we will talk about the plants which are near around us and we have seen them commonly in our environment. So most of you might have lawns in your houses. If you don't have even lawn, you may keep some pots in which you may grow some plants in order to have a greenery in your house. Sometimes the plants are kept inside, they are indoor plants, and some plants are just kept outside of your house in the balconies, in sun, or in sometimes terraces. So we have different kinds of plants around us. Some are indoor plants, some are outdoor plants, some are big plants like tall trees, some are smaller plants like shrubs, and some are very smaller like herbs or grasses. So here you can see the picture. Here it is a tree, tall tree with green leaves and very small herb-like structures which are grasses basically. So this is how a tree looks like, and this is how the grass looks green during the spring days or when there is no autumn. Now look at this picture. This is a house along with the lawn, and you can see many types of flowers or plants within it along with the green grass bed. So some people may have lawn in their houses, some don't have. They can keep their plants indoor or outdoor depending upon the type of plant. So let's read this page number 49 for you today. Do you have a garden at home or in your school? Your school has a big green lawn, and it also has some kitchen garden and smaller garden where you can go and visit your kitchen vegetables. So you might have seen it. If you don't have at home, you might have seen it in your school, and definitely you have seen it. And you can see even different types of plants which are around. Some are very tall trees, some are smaller one, and the lawn of your school is lush green in color due to green grass. So in a city, many people don't have enough space for a garden, so they grow plants inside their houses. So as I have told you, so big cities, they have a problem that sometimes the houses are not so big or they are not in the ground area. They are upstairs. Sometimes they are, if you are living in a building, then your flat or house might be at the second or third or any other floor. So there is a problem that people sometimes don't have their lawns due to their house and its structure. So in that case, they may keep some smaller plants within their houses. In cities and towns, there are parks. If you don't have your lawn in house, you can go to the parks, and these are for everyone to enjoy. There are also trees along with the side of the main roads. Plants are beautiful to look at, and they are useful also. So the thing is that then whenever the plants are grown, first of all they look so beautiful that people like to decorate their houses with them. Or if they are not for the decorative purposes, they might be some smaller herbs like coriander, like mint or green chilies. So smaller plants can be grown within the houses without any problem in a smaller pots or smaller containers. So they look beautiful. The first of all is the aim of keeping them is they look beautiful, and they make the house pretty or green. So plants are keep the air clean. This is another benefit of them, that whenever you have plant, the atmosphere is very fresh and cool. So they make your environment clean also. Some plants have pleasant smell, and for example, if you have flowering plants like rose plant or smaller plants which have flowers and flowers have fragrance, motia and some other, they have nice fragrance, and if you smell them you have a pleasant sensation. So we can also keep the plants for having the clean air and for pleasant surroundings, and you might keep it in your indoor for having some pleasant effect in your room as well. If your room has light and you have a window, you can keep small pots with the flowering plants near your windows. So this is how you can maintain a good keep air in your room also. So some things that can plant can provide to us, that is some fruits, medicines, perfumes, wood, furniture and shade also. So we will talk more about it. Let's start with some written work for today. Here is the page number 25 of your reading book. Sorry, this is your skill book. Here are few fill in the blanks. Don't forget to write down the date at the top of your page. So first one is trees are found along the sides of roads. Number 2, plants are important to us in many ways. Yes, we will discuss some more about it because I have told you only two things, that they give nice environment and they keep your air clean and you can enjoy your fragrance, but we will discuss some more importance of them inshallah tomorrow. Some people grow plants inside the house. Yes, indoor plants. In cities, towns, there are parks. Yes, you can see parks around you. Parks are for everyone to enjoy. Yes, plants give us food like fruits and vegetables. Now, finally, we can make furniture or food from your house of some trees. So, your food and furniture in your school or house, that is made up of wood, which is gained from trees. So, there are few statements which are either true or false. Trees have pleasant shadows. Yes, they have pleasant shadow. This is true. This is written as true. They have a good shadow which is very pleasant. We make medicines from some of the herbs and plants. This is also true. In a city, many people have enough place for garden. No, this is not true. Many of you might have not garden or lawn, but you may keep your plants in your home as well. Rubber comes from bamboo tree. No, this is false. Smaller birds can make their nest in the branches of trees. This is true. Flowers are used to decorate the places. Yes, this is true. So boys and girls, that is all for today. So do your work and submit it in the Google Classroom timely. See you soon inshallah. Allah Hafiz.